It is visible to
Yes, teacher, it is visible.
Okay. Started already, teacher. Beginning of Shivaji's education. Okay, the beginning of Shivaji's education. Shivaji Maharaj's parents. Who are the Shivaji Maharaj's parents? Shahaji Raje and Jijabai. Took great interest in Shivaji's education. Like your parents also taking interest for education. They are sitting with you. They are listening with you. Why? Because they don't have time to spend. उनको time pass करना है इसलिए तुम्हारे साथ बैठ रहे? No, they are interested. They want that you should study well. उनको क्या लगता है कि मेरे बच्चा पढ़े अच्छी सी. Same like Jijabai, Shahaji Raje and Jijabai took great interest in Shivaji's education. Shahaji Raje was a Sanskrit scholar. Sanskrit के वो क्या थे? Scholar थे. Himself, and he had a lot of scholar and artists at its Bangalore court. कहाँ पे उनके court में कौन कौन थे? Scholars and artists was there at his Bangalore court. Shahaji Raje thus selected a very talented and a good teacher to teach Shivaji Maharaj. जैसे हम लोग ने, not I am saying, all the teachers are very good. Okay, they are also teaching you. They are also putting their efforts to teach you. लोग ऐसे समझ में आएगा. Clearly, they are teaching you. Yes or no? Same. Shahaji Raje thus selected a very talented and a good teacher to teach Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj education started at the age of 7 years. At the age of 7 years, 6 years he was to play. 6 years उन्होंने क्या किया? A peaceful and happy life. He used to play and with the friends and all that. But that time also his mother was teaching him, saying the stories, telling the stories of Abhimanyu, Rama, yes or no? But his education started at the age of 7 years. Shivaji learned how to read and write. Shivaji learned how to read and write. He learned stories from Sorry, children. Shivaji learned how to read and write. He learned stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita. From where he learned the story, that time school was not there. They used to read these books only. वहाँ से ही उनको knowledge मिलता था. They used to get knowledge from this only, from the Ramayana. Nowadays we are seeing Ramayana in the DD Metro. Yes or no? Then Mahabharata is also going on. But first you used to know Mahabharata. No. Nowadays, because we are sitting in the at home, COVID-19 has this government has started showing us Ramayana, Mahabharata again and again. Okay, Bhagavad Gita. We also learned different skill of war and administration. Shivaji Maharaj, okay, learned wrestling. Wrestling is like WWF. All of you must be knowing what is wrestling. WWF पता है? सब लोग को पता होगा what is WWF and all that. कुश्ती लड़ना, okay? दान पट्टा. It's a patta. You're wearing a patta on your belt. वो iron का बना रहता है और पूरा पतला रहता है. It's called a दान पट्टा. He learned how to use a sword. तलवार कैसे चलाना है? He used to learn. He learned how to ride a horse. He likes what? Horses. He rides a horse. उनको horse चलाना बहुत पसंद था. He learned that. Adil Shah sent Shahaji to conquer Nayars. Okay, Shahaji sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. Again, Shahaji Raje, what he did, he sent Shivaji and Jijabai to the Pune. Before that, I will repeat again for you. Shahaji thus selected very talented and good teacher to teach Shivaji Maharaj. He selected a nice teacher to teach this education to the Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj education started at the age of 7 years. At the age of 7 years, Shivaji learned how to read and write. How to read and write. He learned story from Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita. Okay. He also learned different skill of war, administration. Shivaji Maharaj learned wrestling, dan patta also. He learned how to use sword. He learned how to ride a horse. Adil Shah sent Shahaji to conquer the Nayaks. Adil Shah ने शाहजहां को कहाँ भेजा? Nayaks को conquer करने के लिए, यानी fighting करने के लिए. So what did Shahaji Maharaj did? Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai again to the Pune. Okay, again to the Pune. Now see here. Shahaji Raje given education to Shivaji Maharaj. He is standing over here. Shahaji Raje is standing over here. Giving education means he is saying that my child is learning. Yes, nicely or not. Same like your mother and father is sitting behind you. और साइड में बैठे होगे, सुन रहे होगे. Same like that. Okay. Rejuvenation of Pune. Shivaji and Jijabai returned to Pune again. Shahaji was happy and remembered a childhood day in the Shivneri. Shivaji was happy. Why he was happy? Because he was remembering the childhood. उनका छोटेपन उनको याद आने लगा. After returning to where? To the Shivneri fort. On the Shivneri fort. Pune was devastated totally by Shahaji enemies. Devastated means what? पूरा खराब हो गया था, पूरा जला दिया था पुणे को, पूरा नहस कर दिया था पुणे. Who did that? Shahaji's enemies. Okay, totally by Shahaji के enemies थे ना उन्हें. The return of Jijabai to Pune brought joy and Pune was totally transformed. जब Jijabai came back to the Pune, the Pune people got happy that our Jijabai came back again. Now Pune will be happy. Okay, Pune will be happy. The achievement of Dadaji Konde. Achievement of Dadaji Konde. Dadaji Konde was just and strict disciplinary, like our Lakshmi ma'am is very strict and disciplinary person. Same, Dadaji Konde was also a strict and disciplinary person. Look after the Pune. He was looking after the Pune. Built a Lal Mahal in Pune. What he built? He built a Lal Mahal. I will show you details. Please see your textbook, children. Please see your textbook. Okay. Let me search 1 second. 1 second. Okay, no problem. Built Lal Mahal in Pune. Concession on land tax. He put a taxes also. He was taking a tax also. Okay. Where is that? See, when Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, that time when Shivaji and Jijabai was in Karnataka, Dadaji Konde looked after the Pune Jagir. Who was looking after the Pune of Jagir? Dadaji Konde. He was the Subedar of Kondana also. He was the Subedar of Kondana also. He was very faithful. Both faithful थे, trustworthy person. He was a trustworthy person. He was strict, efficient and honest in his work. He was strict, efficient and honest in his work. बहुत अच्छी तरह से काम करते थे. He was also just a strict disciplinary. He served with devotion. At about this time, a big vada or residence was built in Pune by the order of Shahaji Raje. For whom this vada was built? Lal Mahal. With whom order? With whose order? With the Shahaji's order. This Lal Mahal was built for this Jijabai. Okay? It came to be known as a Lal Mahal. उसको क्या नाम दिया गया? Lal Mahal. To encourage the peasants to till their land, Dadaji gave these consequence in the land tax for a few years. He offered prizes for destroying the wolves. He offered a prize. That time in the Pune, wolves was roaming. Wolf. पता है wolf क्या होता है? Wolf क्या होता है? That time nobody was there. पूरा जंगल था. That time Pune was like a jungle. Who was roaming there? Wolf was roaming there. Then what did Dadaji Konde do? He told the people that I will offer you a prize if you are going to kill the wolf. If you are going to kill the wolf, अगर तुम लोगों ने wolves को मारा, मैं तुमको प्राइज दूंगा या फिर गिफ्ट दूंगा, कुछ तो पैसा दूंगा, मोहरे दूंगा. For destroying the wolf, which invades the countryside and harass the peasants. Many wolves were killed. So many wolves was killed. Okay, many wolves was killed. He raised peasant patrol to protect life and property from gangs of thieves. Thief was also there. Why? Because that was a jungle. The thief तो होना जरूरी है. जंगल में तो गुंडे लोग रहते ही हैं. Okay. Gangs of thieves who roamed the countryside. They were roaming side of the country. He fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. जैसे जैसे land थी, he also fixed a revenue. Tax बिठाया. उनके ऊपर टैक्स जैसे उनकी जमीन थी, सूखी होगी तो कम, अगर अच्छा होगा तो इसलिए टैक्स ज्यादा होगा. Fixed land revenue. He thus made the people happy. In the field of agriculture, reform and revenue collection, the work done by Dadaji Konde and the Nizam Shahi Wazir Malik Ambar is considered to be a very important. That time Malik Ambar was a wazir where in the Nizam Shahi. court. Okay, Nizam Shahi court considered to be very important. उसको बहुत important दिया करते थे. Then we will see about the Shivaji's education. We will see about the Shivaji's education. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continued under the supervision of Jijabai, who was looking after his education like your mother. His mother was looking after his education. Jijabai was looking after his education. While returning from Bangalore, Jijabai and Shivaji were accompanied by the eminent teachers sent by Shahaji Raje. उनके साथ कौन आया? A teacher. Who sent that teacher? Shahaji Raje sent that teacher with the Jijabai and Shivaji Maharaj. Who sent that teacher? Shahaji Raje sent the teacher to the with Jijabai and Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, they taught him many sciences, branches of learning and languages. They taught what? Science, branches of learning and languages. अलग-अलग languages उन्होंने सिखाया. Sorry. Shivaji acquired the knowledge of excellent administration. Administration क्या? पूरा देखभाल करना, पैसे का व्यवहार देखना. It's called administration. War tactics. वॉर में कैसे टैटिक यूज करने हैं, वॉर में कैसा यूज करना है, कहाँ पे चुकना चाहिए, व्हाट टू वेयर टू यूज व्हाट एट व्हाट टाइम, इट्स कॉल्ड अ वॉर टैटिक. आर्किटेक्चर, सिलेक्शन ऑफ हॉर्सेस, व्हिच हॉर्स इज गुड, व्हिच हॉर्स इज नॉट नाइस, ही कैन रन हाउ मच, वो कितने टाइम करता है या फिर थक जाएगा. तो सिलेक्टेड हॉर्सेस, नाइस हॉर्सेस. ओके, देन and elephants also are also there in the fighting, yes or no? Ways of expanding from difficult enemies territory and many other things. Shivaji's process in education pleased Jijabai very much. Now we will see what Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. अपने मम्मी ने उनको क्या सिखाया, उनकी मम्मी ने उनको क्या सिखाया. What Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. Okay, like your mother is teaching you. जैसे तुम लोग कुछ समझ में नहीं होगा, you are going to ask your mother only. So father is there at home, you are going to ask your father. But your mother is at home, so you are asking your mother. Same like Jijaji's mother, father was not there. Shivaji Maharaj's father was not there, so he was asking his mother only. Jijabai was no ordinary woman. वो ऐसी लड़की नहीं थी. किसकी लड़की थी? Lakhojirao Jadhav. In the first chapter only, I told you that Jijabai is the daughter of Lakhojirao Jadhav, wife of Shahaji Raje, mother of Shivaji. He was a daughter of mighty Sardar Lakhojirao Jadhav and a wife of brave and valiant Shahaji Raje. He had inherited the knowledge of politics. Politics का बहुत knowledge था उनके पास. And warfare from his infancy. Infancy means पहले से उनकी चला रहा था. उसके पापा, उसके brothers and all that were fighting में बहुत होशियार थे. So she was also seeing that और उनको भी knowledge उसका मिल गया. उनकी family ही means पूरी war में होशियार थी. In her was witnesses the confluence of the martial tradition of the famous house of Jadavs and Bhosles. She was a freedom-loving person with a great sense of pride. She wanted a freedom. She was a loving person, freedom-loving person. उनको खुद का freedom जरूरी, उनको बहुत पसंद था. A great sense of pride. She had learned through bitter experience that, however much a Maratha soldier displayed valor, it was not appreciated in the court. उनको ये पसंद नहीं था that Shivaji Maharaj or Shahaji Rajesh are working with the Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. She was always telling that my child, my husband should work for our people, for our Maratha people. उनको ये पसंद नहीं था. Okay? In the court of Sultan, she had valiantly faced the shock of her father's murder in the open court of the instigation of Nizam Shah. उनके पापा को कहाँ पे मारा गया था? लखोजी in the court of Nizam Shah. In the court of Nizam Shah, she had resolved that her son Shivaji, उन्होंने शपथ ली थी कि my son Shivaji will never be engaged in the service of others. What he wants, that my child will not work for the other persons, for the Nizam Shah or for the Adil Shah. My child will work for whom? For our Maratha people. For whom? For our people. हमारे आदमियों के लिए वो लड़ेगा. Okay, he would establish the rule of his own people. He could establish the rule of his own people, खुद के people, like a Swaraj. She was bringing up Shivaji with that ideal only. वो अपने बच्चे को शिवाजी महाराज को कैसा बड़ा कर रही थी? यही बोल के, don't work for Adil Shah or don't work for Nizam Shah. Only work for our people. Only work for our people. The people living in the Mawal region were called Mawlas. जहाँ पे मावलास को हम क्या बोलते थे? मावलास. मावल में जो रहते थे उनको क्या बोला करते थे? मावलास. They were loyal, hardworking, and quick-footed. No one could surpass them in hardiness, but they were harassed by the Sultan. वो इतने लॉयल थे, वफादार थे अपने आदमियों से. शिवाजी के महाराज हार्ड वर्किंग, they were very hard working person, but उनको भी हैरेस कौन करता था? सुल्तान used to harass them. Harassing means what? क्या बोलते उसको बेटा? तकलीफ देना, उनको मारना, खाना नहीं देना. It's called an harassment. Okay? The armies of Sultan used to plunder their village, forcing the people to abandon the place. छोड़ दो place को, ये करो, वो करो, वो तुमको तकलीफ देना चालू कर दें. Nobody cares for them. Shivaji had to do something for these poor miserable people. So who came before in front? Shivaji Maharaj ने क्या सोचा कि I will do something for these people because they are very loyal, because they are very hard working for the Shivaji Maharaj. So Shivaji Maharaj came in front and started for fighting with the sultans. Okay? On returning home, Shivaji could talk about this to his mother. उन्होंने इससे किसके साथ बात की? पहले अपनी मम्मी के साथ कि मम्मी ऐसा ऐसा है, तो कैन आई गो एंड फाइट विद द सुल्तान? मैं ऐसा करूं क्या? Same, if you want to do something, you are talking with your mother. Same, Shivaji Maharaj also talked with his mother. Jijabai could save Shiva. क्या बुलाए थे उनको? Shiva. Shri Ramchandra is the ancestor of the Bhosles. Rama killed Ravan and made his people happy. What he has given the example? अगर हमारे people को कोई तकलीफ दे रहा है, then Rama also what he did? Rama also killed the Ravana, and same like that he also killed the Sultan and give happy the people, happiness for our people. Give happiness for our people. Okay. The ancestor of Jadavs is Sri Krishna. He killed Kans. Why he killed Kans? Because वो भी लोगों को तकलीफ देता था. So Krishna had killed Kans मामा. उसका खुद का मामा होकर उसने क्या किया? उसको मार डाला. Why? Because he was harassing the people. He was harassing the people. He has given the example. Whose example? Jijabai given Shivaji Maharaj example of Rama and Krishna. Rama and Krishna. Okay? You are a descendant of both Sri Rama and Sri Krishna. You can also destroy the wicked and make your subject happy. Subject means what? A people. Subject means what? A people. You also can kill the Sultan and make your subject happy. Make your people happy. Okay? Then, this word of Jijabai was a source of inspiration of a young Shivaji. ये जो उसके मम्मी ने उनको बोला है ना, उनके लिए वो बहुत बड़ा वर्ड थे. उनको इंस्पायर किया कि नहीं, I will also do same like Rama and Krishna. I will also do same like Rama and Krishna. Okay, what we will see. He will remember the brave deed of heroes of past like Rama, Krishna, and again Arjuna. He thought of them all the time. He thought of them. वो किसको सोचने लगे? रामा कृष्ण को सोचने लगे. That उन्होंने ऐसा किया, so I will also do something. Then he started making a plan. To how to kill the Sultan. He felt that he too must fight against the injustice as they did, and like them, destroy the wicked and bring happiness to his subject. Same like that, I am also going to kill the Sultan and I am going to bring the happiness to my people. He thought that he should become courageous and brave like these heroes of old. That I am also going to become same like that with like Rama and Krishna. Okay, I am also going to fight with this Sultan and I am also going to do my people happy. The new regime of Shivaji. While sending Jijabai and Shivaji to Pune, Shahaji sent powerful and prestigious people who were able men fit to administer an independent kingdom. In the Pune Jagir, the new regime of Shivaji began under the guidance of Jijabai. Now, who was the guidance of Shivaji Maharaj? Jijabai. She was the guidance of Shivaji Maharaj. Shahaji Raje had already made the preparation for this. When Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji from Bangalore to Pune, he sent some powerful and prestigious people with them. Yes or no? They were Samraj Nilkanta Peshwe, Balkrishna Hemante Muzumdar, Mankoji Sarnobat, Raghunath Sabnis, Sonopanta Dabir. These were all able men fit to administer in independence kingdom. ये सब कुछ persons थे. They have sent with whom? With the Shivaji Maharaj. Who sent them? Shahaji Raje sent them. Who sent them? Shahaji Raje sent with the Shivaji Maharaj. कि उसके साथ help के लिए जाओ, administration देखो उसके साथ. He is a new person. ये अभी छोटा है. So go and help Shivaji Maharaj. Shahaji Raje had specially deputed them to Pune to help Shivaji govern his Jagir efficiently. Means आराम से चलना चाहिए थी. Okay. Shivaji, then we see, with their help, Shivaji began to administer his Jagir, to attend the people grievance. Those who inflicted injustice upon the right were punished. In a way, Shahaji Raje Jagir was undergoing transformation. That time transformation was going of Jagir. Okay, Jagir was undergoing a transformation. The Mavlas got a glimpse of future Swaraj. उनको सपना में बोलते ना हम लोग को दिखता है बाद में का मैं अपने पास स्वराज आने वाला है. We are going to get freedom from whom? From the sultans like Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Okay, we are going to get a freedom. It was as it were the dawn of Swaraj. क्या था? सपना था स्वराज होने का. Okay, now we'll see about the Shivaji's marriage. In those days, people married at a very early age. That time people used to marry at a very early age. Okay, means बहुत जल्दी वो लोग शादी कर देते. 18 years, 21 years, 24 years, 30 years ऐसे नहीं रुकते थे. जैसे जैसे बड़े हो गए चलो उनकी शादी कर दो. अभी तुम लोग बड़े हो गए तुम्हारी शादी कर देंगे? No, this is against our rule, our law. Yes or no? That time people used to marry very early age. So Jijabai Mata said, we should now get Shiva married. उन्होंने क्या सोचा? शिवाजी महाराज की मम्मी ने क्या सोचा कि शिवाजी महाराज की शादी कर दी जाए. Then a search for a suitable bride. Bride means क्या? दुल्हन. For a Shiva began. They started searching a wife for Shivaji Maharaj. They started searching a wife for the Shivaji Maharaj. Soon she found a girl she wanted. Her name was Saibai. What is the name of Shivaji Maharaj's wife? Saibai. Okay. Saibai came from the Nimbahkar family of Paltan. She came from the Nimbahkar family of the Paltan. The marriage was celebrated with great splendor. बहुत जोर से शोर से marriage चालू हो गई. And the great beauty that attracts everyone. बहुत अच्छी तरह से सजाया गया. And Shiva got married. And Shivaji Maharaj got married with the name girl Saibai. Understood everyone? Now we will see one video regarding this. I want everyone to.
We are going to start a new lesson. Lesson name is Shivaji's Education. In previous lesson, we have learned about Shivaji was born on Shivneri Fort on 19 February 1630. Then his childhood education, which was not neglected by Jijabai. Stories of Rama and Krishna of Bhim and Abhimanyu. Then Shivaji played with poor children. Adil Shah awarded the Jagir of Bangalore to Shahaji Raje. Jijabai and Shivaji went to Bangalore. Then Shahaji Raje made the city of Bangalore his headquarters. So all this part we have learnt in previous lesson. Now in today's session we are going to learn about Shivaji's education. Shahaji Raje himself was the father of Sanskrit language. He had artist and scholar of many languages in his Bangalore court. He appointed intelligent teachers to teach Shivaji. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. Teachers developed the skills in art of reading and writing in the Shivaji. In previous lesson, we have learned Jijabai tells stories of Rama and Krishna, of Bhim and Abhimanyu, but now Shivaji was able to read Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita on his own. Shahaji Raje wanted to develop the skill of welfare in Shivaji, so he had appointed some teachers to teach welfare to Shivaji. Teachers began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use sword and also danpatta. He also learned different skills of war and administration. Thus, at the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning and arts. Soon, Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raze on an expedition to conquer the state of Naikas, means local chiefs in Karnataka. Expedition, which means campaign, or a journey undertaken by a group of people with a particular purpose, especially that of campaign or a war. In simple, expedition, which means mission. At that time, Shivaji and Jijabai were at Bangalore. Shahaji Raze sent Jijabai and Shivaji to Pune when he went on the expedition in Karnataka. And with them, he sent elephants, horses, an infantry, a treasury, a flag, as also trusted minister, brave generals, and renowned teachers. Renowned teachers, which means great teachers, also, because education of Shivaji is not completed. Now, students infantry, which means foot soldier, and treasury, which means money. Next, rejuvenation of Pune. Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. When Shivaji came to Pune, he remembered the days of his childhood, which he had spent on Shivneri Fort. So, Shivaji was happy to see the lofty peaks of the Sahyadri again. Pune was not such a big city at that time. Adil Shah had totally destroyed it and burned it. Properties were damaged. Houses were demolished. Demolished, which means destroyed or broken. Temple had collapsed. So the people left the place and ran away. Therefore, there was no one to grow crops. So field had become barren. Students, barren, which means too poor to produce much or any crops. Wolves roam in the countryside. Pune, thus, was totally in shambles and ruins. Ruins, which means damage or spoil. Condition of Pune was very bad when Jijabai and Shivaji came to Pune. When the news of Jijabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji brought joy to the peoples. Jijabai called all of them and reassured them that they would be safe in Pune. Peoples started coming back and settling in Pune. Jijabai had repaired the temples. So, in the temples, worship began morning and evening. Farms were cultivated and life became normal. Pune was now transformed totally.